Hey all, Mr. Kelly here, and I haven't eaten today, so I'm gonna have to power through this. In keeping with the current theme of games, today we're gonna talk about a very well-known, centuries-old tile-based game. Sparrows. It's Mahjong. At least, that's what it's rumored. So I mentioned that Mahjong is a tile game. Well, it's got a lot of tiles. Just how many though? First we need to see what types of tiles there are. The main two categories of tiles are the suits and honors. Suits are the tiles numbered 1 through 9, with the 3 suits being bamboo, circles, and characters. On the other side, honors are the wind and dragon tiles, with 4 types of winds and 3 types of dragons. There are 4 of each tile, so if we were to do the math, we would get 136 total tiles to play. There is another subcategory of tiles. Major tiles are 1s, 9s, and honors, and minor tiles are 2 through 8. Major tiles are worth inherently more in terms of scoring. When it comes to setup, there are usually 4 players. There are variants for more or less players, but for now we stick to 4. Each player represents a cardinal direction surrounding 4 walls of tiles. The tiles are drawn from the wall until none are left. East goes first, and then order proceeds counterclockwise. Everyone starts with 13 tiles and proceeds to draw and discard from the wall until no tiles are left or someone wins. The players then rotate. The objective of the game is to get Mahjong, which is 4 sets plus a pair. So what are the sets? There are 3 types: Pung, which is a 3 of a kind, Kong, a 4 of a kind, and Chow, a run of 3 in a suit. Kongs are worth more than Pungs, and Chows are usually worth nothing. Now a bit on claiming. Your hand is naturally concealed from the opponents, but if you have a pair or more of a tile that someone discards, you can claim that tile and expose your newly formed set. Exposed sets are worth less than concealed sets. Most games end in standard Mahjong form, but there are special hands that are worth a lot of points. For example, having a Pung or Kong of each dragon is called 3 Great Scholars. While this hand is just a variation on the standard Mahjong, there are others that are unique, like having 1 of every major tile plus an extra, called the 13 Unique Wonders. There's also where you have a pair of 1s, a run from 2 to 9, and all 4 wins, called the Wriggling Snake. Now I mentioned scoring. How does that work? The answer is, I don't know. There's quite a few variants of Mahjong, each with their own scoring rules. So go online and check which rule variant interests you the most and try it out. I found some crackers! While Mahjong is usually tile-based, it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of versions out there that use cards instead of tiles. While this vid was mainly about Mahjong, I'm not trying to go out there and try and learn how to play a game you've never played before. Doesn't have to be Mahjong. Anything works. Alright, real food calls.